you know what's today? Today is Makar Sankranti. Did you forget about it? Exactly. So now let's wish everyone a happy Makar Sankranti.
Oh yes, I forgot that tomorrow is Sankranti and kites play a very important role.
A very warm and cheerful morning to everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I'm Mukta of class 9th.
And I, Aditya from class 9, are here to conduct today's assembly. Is attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Now let's start prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti. Now I will call my friend Jay for preamble.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socially secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt an act and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I call Suyash for today's thought.
Good morning everyone, myself Suyash Rai and today I will be giving today's thought. Today's thought is a beautiful, bright and delighted day. Sun enters Makar into intense the rays, crop harvested to cheer, the smile comes together with joy of life. Today's thought explanation is Makar Sankranti is also called Uddayan as the sun begins in northward journey from the day Hindus reservoir of sun god as a symbol of divinity and wisdom. The day became longer and warmer compared to the nights. After the transition made, Makar Sankranti is a harvesting festival. Thank you and
Now I will call Yadnik for news headlines.
Good morning, all of you. Today's news headlines are International news. Strong demand drives Rolls-Royce cars. Sales to a record high in 2021. National news. Over 9 lakh people receive precautionary third dose on day 1. Sports news. Virat Kohli lone ranger for India as South Africa gain upper hand. Thank you.
So now cheerfully welcome Pragya and her team for cultural skit. This skit will help us to learn about Makar Sankranti's cultural importance.
हम सब मकर संक्रांति बहुत ही आनंद और उत्साह के साथ मनाते हैं, पर क्या हमें पता है कि हम यह क्यों मनाते हैं? तो आज हम कक्षा 9वीं के छात्र आप सभी के सामने एक नाटिका के माध्यम से यह बताएंगे कि मकर संक्रांति किस प्रकार मनाई जाती है।
ये आप क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं तिल और गुड़ के लड्डू बना रही हूँ क्योंकि आज मकर संक्रांति का त्योहार है।
ये लड्डू क्यों बनाए जाते हैं?
कहा जाता है कि जब सूर्य धनु राशि से मकर राशि में प्रवेश करता है तब मकर संक्रांत मनाई जाती है। मकर संक्रांत के दिन सूर्य देव को तिल और गुड़ के लड्डू का भोग लगाया जाता है और उस दिन एक दूसरे को तिल और गुड़ के लड्डू बांटकर तिड़गुड़ गया आणि गोड़ गोड़ बोला ऐसा बोलते।
अच्छा,
मकर संक्रांति के त्योहार पर पतंग भी उड़ाई जाती है जो कि इस त्योहार की खास परंपरा है और इस परंपरा की शुरुआत भगवान श्री राम द्वारा की गई है।
चल यादनी का अपन पतंग उड़ाने चलते।
आदित्य, हमें कौन से मांझे से पतंग उड़ानी चाहिए?
तुम पतंग मांझे से उड़ाने वाले हो या धागे से?
पर खास वाले मांझे से हमारा हाथ कट सकता है।
तुम्हें पतंग धागे से उड़ानी चाहिए क्योंकि मांझा तुम्हारे लिए खतरनाक हो सकता है।
नहीं नहीं, हाथ नहीं कटता।
हमें रिया की बात सुन लेनी चाहिए थी। हमें धागे वाले मांझे से ही पतंग उड़ानी चाहिए थी।
हाँ हाँ।
Thank you, Pragya and team, for your wonderful skit.
Good morning, one and all present over here. We, the geographical group, wishing you a very happy Makar Sankranti. Today we are going to tell the scientific reason of Makar Sankranti by presenting a small skit.
Anjali, can you tell me that why do we celebrate Makar Sankranti all over the India?
Makar Sankranti, it is believed traditionally to mark the arrival of spring in India, as it is the festival of sun god and he is regarded as the symbol of dignity and wisdom. The festival also hold an internal meaning to it. Children loved and enjoyed the festival celebration.
This is the religious reason, but what is the geographical reason?
Harvest festival heralds a change in season, as from this day the sun begins its movement from Dakshin south to Uttar north hemisphere.
Makar Sankranti is set by the solar cycle and corresponds to the exact time astronomical event of sun entering in Capricorn sign and is observed on a day that usually falls on 14 January of Georgian calendar but on 15 January in leap years.
Makar Sankranti is the date from which the northward movement of sun begins. The period from Karka Sankranti to Makar Sankranti is known as Dakshinayana.
So here you have seen that the scientific reason of Makar Sankranti. Wishing you and your family a blessed Makar Sankranti. Thank you.
तिळगुळ घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. मकर संक्रांतीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तिळगुळ घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. मकर संक्रांतीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.